Another very important part of Excel, which we are going to be dealing with today, is what I call copying and pasting. Let's assume everything I have here, I want to copy it to sheet 3. At times you may have up to like 1000 rows and about 10-15 columns. I want to copy the data. It will be very difficult for you to be typing them one after the other. I come here, okay, what is in A1? Name. I come here and come and type A1. By the time you are doing that, it will take you days, if not months, to finish the whole job. So that is why you need to know how to copy and also paste wherever you want to paste it at. To copy, you select the cell you want to copy. It may be just one cell, it may be as many cells as possible. Then you right click. Let's do that. Let's select everything. Then right click on your keyboard, that's your mouse. Right click, you will see copy. Clicking on that copy, by the time you press it copy, you will see this particular border around what you have copied. This one is telling you that yes, you have copied everything inside within that border. Another way you can use is to highlight first. Highlight the cell, and on your keyboard you press Ctrl and C. Ctrl C. The moment you do that also, it will highlight it that yes, you copied this. Or better still, you can go to your home tab where we are now, and you will see this copy. You click on the copy, copy it, and there you go. You have copied. Go to where you want to paste it. This is where you need to pay total attention now. If you want to paste, you can easily just come to this place, that copy and paste. You will see it there. There are different types of pasting that we can see here, a lot. It's either you go there and select paste, or you simply right click where you want it to be, and you also see all those things here. So we have different types. As you are moving, navigating from one to another, you will be seeing the way it will appear on your worksheet. So you can see so on and so forth like that. So let's assume you don't want to go through this order. You can just click on your keyboard, Ctrl V, to automatically paste your data where you want it to be. Ctrl V. You can adjust the width of each of the cell in the column. So that is that about copying and pasting. Now there is one thing I want you to know. If I have a formula here, don't worry, don't mind me, I will still introduce us to that later. Let's say here I want to let's say I put age. This person age is 23, this person age is 42, this one is 19, for instance. And with that, okay, 19 cannot have any, let's not deceive ourselves. Let's say this one is 41. Good. And with that, we want to allocate a particular amount to them based on their age. Now let's say, let me put this one as multiplication by 3 by 3 by 3. I want to say their age will be multiplied by 3 to know the amount in thousand that I want to give them. So I can just enter a formula and say equals to this multiplied by this, then enter and fill it for these people. Now if I copy again, now let me copy everything, Control copy, and come to this place. Let me use sheet 2 this time around. Control paste. You will see here, you can see 63, you can see, but if you come back to this sheet and I delete all this, let's say I delete 3, you will see automatically it will update in the particular place where I'm taking it, because there's a formula for it. That formula is that this one is E2 times F2. So if I delete this one, it will affect the particular data I have there. And I just use these three to calculate. So if I want to paste another way, so that even if I have anything, if I make any changes to my original data where I'm copying it from, it will not affect it in the particular place where I'm taking it. Let's copy again. Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy. Coming to this place, let me delete this. Now, if you want to paste it, you don't just paste directly. There's what we call paste special. There are two ways, or let me say three ways to paste special. The first method is to come to this your home tab, click, okay, I've not copied, that is why it's not highlighting. To copy, yes. You click this paste and you will see all these below. They are all called paste special. The first one is paste, which is P. The second one is formulas. The second one is formula and number formatting. This one formatting K, no border, keep source, transpose, value this. Now this paste special is what we call pasting without carrying the formula that affects where you are coming from. So if you see this value, just click on value. It has copied it. If I click here now, there is no formula. So even if I decide to delete these three, it does not affect this one. So I may decide to delete the whole column. You can see I have my data. Don't worry, by the time we proceed further, you understand better how all these things are shaped. Now, another thing you can do is, okay, let's assume I want all this name, gender, qualification, nationality, age, and amount to be in the row, and name, Jude, Mary, Muhammad, they are supposed to be in the column, and I've already typed. I cannot delete if I have plenty entries. So just copy, Ctrl A to copy all, Ctrl C to copy, then go to where you want to paste it. Right click at that particular point and you will see paste special. Under paste special, you will see what we call transpose. You can see at the moment I put it on transpose, all the rows have turned to columns and columns have turned to row. Click. You can see name now is Jude, Mary, Muhammad at the top, while the rows are now carrying gender, qualification, nationality, age, and so on and so forth. So please take notes of this, copying and pasting when you are to paste special and when you are to paste just ordinary pasting using your Ctrl V. So take note of that. Another way to get by, okay, let's assume I have already transposed now, and the person I'm updating the data for said no, it's supposed to be like this. There's no panicking. Copy it again and do the same process. That is right click, paste special, and transpose. Transpose means change column to row and row back to column. Or you use this shortcode. Please take note of this shortcode. On your computer, you press Ctrl, Alt, and V. Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Now it will give you different paste categories you can select from. Here maybe I want to just paste the formula, but what I'm after is just the value, and I want to transpose it, so I'll click transpose. So okay, you can see it has transposed it from this format back to the original format. Let's make our, okay, we are still going there, let me not be too fast. Now another thing you can do apart from using Ctrl plus Alt plus V, you can use your Alt ES to bring out that particular box. Let me copy. When you go to where you want to paste it, you press Alt. When you press the Alt, every of these things will change to number. Then you click E. E has changed to, you can see Alt E, then you press S, it will bring it out. You are not pressing the three at a time, you press them one after the other. Press Alt, release the key, press E, release the key, press S, so it will bring you back to this place and you can do whatever you want to do with it. When you are done, press the ESC, escape key on your keyboard, and there we go. So that is how to copy and paste in Excel.